I'm Reesewill, and I'm a Class 8 delivery driver for Domino's. Peace. My partner Buck, he pulls the dough, he stacks the cool, I stack the dry, and I bring all the products in the store. Got 27,000 pounds, 12 stores. You touch every bit of that 27,000 pounds, but we're gonna get it done. Woo! They almost over. Got 3 more stores to go. They almost over.
We are from Blakely County, Akron, Georgia.
Where you from? You from the same thing?
I'm from Eastman, Georgia.
Oh, don't ask fast from now. Come on.
Oh, man, from Eastman, Georgia, man. I do that, man. Come on, man. You know, this is what we do.
Being live from Domino's, yeah.
How long y'all been with Domino's?
Almost 2 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Jordan, ain't that right?
Almost 2 years now. We're going strong. We do this. We runners.
Yeah, man.
Y'all like what y'all do?
No.
Yeah, man, I do. I ain't gonna lie. What's up, Jordan?
I'm just trying to make it to it. I'm trying to, I ain't even saying that no more. I'm like, yeah. Jobs like this, you always get 6 months. You know, to learn the product, to learn the job, especially if you never rolled groceries before. You always, you know, give it some time because it takes your time mentally and physically because you're doing both now. You know what I mean? You driving and you got to go offload the truck. You know, you got 600-700 miles of driving, they got to offload the truck. They can be tiresome. They get tired real quick if you're not used to it. So you got, you know, give it some time and it'll come. Trust me, it'll come.
You gotta be a trucker, you gotta be customer service, and you gotta be an athlete. But this job is not made for the weak. Let's believe that. You're gonna work hard. You're gonna do 3 routes a week. And some of these routes can range from 20 hours, 24 hours. Get paid by the hour, paid by the weight, and paid by the mile. So, they gonna pay.